how to check Ria Money Transfer history. So here's what you want to do. You want to open up the browser on your phone and go search for Ria Request Money Transfer History. Click on this first website that pops up. You will get two options: how to request your bill payment report or request transfer history. We're going to click on transfer history. So it's going to look like this, and it is going to tell us to click here to complete the form. Click on that bolded text. And it's going to ask you for your full name, first and last name as registered on your account, your date of birth, your email, phone number, country, address, ID document number, and you will also need to provide a copy of your valid government-issued photo ID. Afterwards, if your document is double-sided, it's going to ask for the back of the ID document as well. You will click on submit, and then either on your phone or on your email address, you will receive your transfer history. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.